Hello, let's do some daily games for Friday, September 20th. We're going to be doing Wordle, the mini crossword, connections, and strands. Not in that order. I don't know why I said it in that order, but anyway, we'll be doing those. There were some really funny suggestions for where I might be or what I might be doing. I will say, no, I'm not going on any kind of game show. No, I didn't win a bunch of money, unfortunately. And yeah, I think those are the big ones. No, it's not a vacation. So I guess keep trying if you'd like to, but I will reveal as soon as I can because I know everyone's very curious, and I'd like to tell you, but I'm not going to, not yet. Anyway, let's get to the games. Alrighty, we're going to start with Wordle, which is right here. There we go. Scroll down for some reason. Okay. And I got asked why I start with Trace when Saleh is the bot's favorite. Well, Trace is the best for getting it in 2, and I never get to get it in 2 unless it's a special occasion like this. So, where I'm not taking starting word suggestions. So I figured, why not up the odds of getting another Wordle in 2, because I almost never get to. All right, well, we end in E. I think louse is a good follow-up here. Get the L and the S, get the OU. Good stuff there. All right, did not get it into today, but we got the O and the S. So I'm thinking like S something O something E, and that something I'm thinking about H, because L is gone. We wouldn't use R anyway. SP is possible, SN, SM, like it could be smoke. Maybe I'll guess something like shove. My thought process there is SH is pretty common. We want to see if it's that SH, and then also OVE is a pretty common ending. OKE would be better, but shoke, I don't think shoke is a word. Anyway, let's just do shove. It was my instinct. All right, well, it's not SH and it's not a V there. It could be spoke. What else? SN, is there an SNO? I'm not seeing an SNO. So I'm just going to go for spoke, and then if this is wrong, we will... It is wrong. Oh, cool. It is the OKE. So maybe I should have done the OKE earlier. Oh yeah, smoke came to mind earlier for that. Is there anything else? I doubt there's 3 that are S something OKE. So I think I'm okay to just guess smoke here. Yep, there it is. All right. Smoke in 5. Bit trappy, but I wasn't too concerned about this one. Yeah, cool. I think Trace and Louse got rid of a lot of the options that could have gone after that S, like ST, SC, SL. So good stuff there. Getting rid of the A and E was good. All right, cool. Well, let's move on to the next game here. Let's just go straight into connections here. Loading. Okay. Let's play connections. We're finding 4 groups of 4. Cat person solo hawk. Really hawk, huh? Chewy figure individual corner. Character boba. Imagine party. Suspect emperor litter think. I mean, boba is a drink. I don't know what else it would go with right now. We've got Chewy. Makes me think of Chewbacca. Probably not that. Is Chewy a cat food? I'm trying to think if it is, because it could be like cat paraphernalia, Chewy and litter. I don't know what else it would be anyway. Let's see, what do we want to think about here? We've got solo, like you're on your own, or like you're singing on your own. Solo, Han Solo. Yeah, so it is Star Wars. The Emperor, Han Solo, Chewie. What is our 4th? Boba Fett. There we go. This is Star Wars characters. Ooh, yeah, my +2 to blue helped me there. Characters in The Empire Strikes Back familiarly. Nice. Okay. Yes, I always familiarly call him Emperor. Just Emperor. All right, let's see. So I was thinking about cat stuff, but Chewie's gone now. But litter really makes me think about cat. Maybe that's a red herring though. What else would litter mean? Like to put trash on the ground? Throw trash on the ground. Litter. You can litter litter something around. I don't know. More lit than you are. I'm litter. It's used in the lighting industry a lot. Ah, he's more litter than you. Let's see. Figure. Figure is interesting. A figure, a character, a person, and a suspect could be, I don't know, an individual. Okay. Yeah, this is just a way of referring to a person, right? Oh, one away. So suspect could be in there. I'm not sure what else. I don't know what would be removed either. I'm thinking about the other words that are left here. Hawk. Does hawk mean like you can throw something, you hawk it? I think so. And litter, you can throw things around. Nothing else really means that though. Ooh, we got party. Let's see. Party. Maybe we have like a fill in the blank for purple today. Party animal, party. I mean, party can be used a lot in fill in the blanks though. Imagine is a song by the Beatles. John Lennon. I don't see other like John Lennon songs that I would know. So you imagine something, you think it, you imagine, you think, you suspect. So it's not suspect, it's suspect. And then what's our fourth, like, oh, you figure. Ah, okay, so that's the one away. Yes, it is. Okay, presume, that's the yellow. So now we've got character, person, individual, and I need a fourth person. Hawk, cat, party, corner, litter. I don't know, maybe like you can say like someone's a cool cat. I don't know. That seems strange. Oh, party, like, yeah. A weird definition of party, but I think it's valid. Somebody, yeah. So like, someone could be a party to something. Okay. Cat, hawk, litter, corner. Our purple is purpling out of control recently. Cat, hawk, litter, corner. Kitty. Kitty cat, kitty hawk, kitty litter, kitty corner. There we go. Kitty corner is like diagonally opposite from you. Kitty hawk sounds familiar, but I don't know. Is that a person? Kitty hawk. I don't actually. It was one of those things where I'm like, yeah, I think kitty works for that, but I don't know what it means. But yeah, kitty cat, kitty litter. Okay, cool. One mistake, I think. Not too bad. This one was difficult. All right, let's keep going. Trying to keep these short so that I don't have to spend too much time away in my car alone. Okay, let's do the mini crossword. See who can get there the fastest. I'm not sure. Race, maybe? It's a bit on the nose, but comic actor Sandler, Adam Sandler. Hey, I knew that one. Acronym for a pro-housing movement. I don't know. Fencing sword. Ooh, they love, what is it, like EP or something? Org that certifies food as organic. I don't know who does that. Beam of sunshine is a ray. You're a ray of sunshine. French goodbye. ADIEU. Adieu. Places where bug juice is served and color wars are waged. That would be camps. All right. Plant deep within. Embed. Opposite of nay. Yay. All right. I was looking at the across to see how to finish yay. Because I think there's multiple spellings of that word. Or there is, at least in my head, there's multiple spellings of that word. All right. And it's the USDA that certifies as organic. What is, YIMBY? Acronym for Pro Housing Movement, YIMBY. That rings a bell, but I'm not too familiar with it. Did I get everything else? And I remembered EP. This is very much a crossword word. So if you're frustrated, I was too the first 10 times I saw it. But if after you see this clue enough, you just fill EP. Just a crossword thing. All right. Well, let's continue on to Strands, our last game here. All right. Away with Words. That is actually a podcast that I used to listen to. I think they're based in San Diego, actually. Pretty good podcast if you haven't listened to that one. They delve into the etymology of random words and phrases that people write in about. Let's see. I'm seeing X-ray. I'm just going to see if that locks in. Oh, maybe just X-ray without the E, obviously. No, neither of those lock in. They aren't even in the word list. Okay, so not that. What would be away with words? I want to do something with that X. Okay, my theory here is that we have to use either neither or both of these E's with the X, because you could always like start with X either way. And there needs to be a unique set of letters for that, for the word. You can do the word in different orders. That's okay, but it has to use the same exact letters, and you can't have a way to create the word in other ways. Anyway, that said, I think that means we're using EXE, or at least one of these E's comes later in the same word. Or neither E is in the word. That's always possible. Like taxa or something. I don't know. There's a Z as well over here. I don't know. What's this have to do with away with words? Like someone who speaks well? I don't know. I'm going to start trying some words here. Speed. I see T-I-O-N. Actually, I haven't looked around the edges yet. But T-I-O-N. We have another I-O-N up here. What ends in T-I-O-N? I mean, a lot of things do, but what can I actually create around here? Maybe S-T-I-O-N? Let me plonk that in. Huh. I don't see it. I wish I did. We also have I-O-N up here. Oops, I'm going to tap that. Maybe S-I-O-N. It would help if I knew what the theme meant. Like pedagogy, isn't that for speaking? I'm trying to remember. Maybe eloquence. We need a cue for that. Maybe Z-A-S-I-O-N. I don't know what that would be. Seed. Maybe I need to focus on this X more. Actually, you know what? I'm going to look around the edges. I haven't looked around the edges yet. Like met something? I don't see anything around the edges. Have they like shied away from edge words? There used to be pretty common you'd find at least one word just that only was on the edge. But that seems really rare these days. Stir. I'm thinking about using a hint just to save some time here because I'm completely lost. Let me think one more time about the theme before I do that. So away with words immediately makes me think about someone who's good at speaking, like a public speaker, politician, well, some of them, some kind of leadership thing, or con man even. Maybe it has more to do with like grammatical stuff. But yeah, I'm not... Oh, I just noticed there's another E next to this X. Yeah, okay. I don't think any of that really helped me. Is this like podcast? Can we do podcast? I see pod. Pod something? No. Is it etymology? Have I known the answer the whole time? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think you can make that at all. Steer somehow? No, I say it's that M anyway. Meats. Just meat. I don't know. Is there an ER word? Alright, I'm gonna use a hint. Oh. What is this? Remet. Meter? Meter. We're talking about like meter like you speak with a rhythm? Let's see if rhythm is here, or... Does that help me? Or is it distance? Like measuring a meter as distance? I think we're talking about, like, if we're talking about a way with words, right? We're talking about, I don't know, like poetry, maybe. Ah, poetry. I thought maybe yeah, poetry. There we go. That's our spanogram. Okay, so stanza is got to be here, right? Yes. Stanza. And then, ooh, how much do I know about poetry? Let's figure it out. Diction. That's that Tion I was trying to figure out. It's amazing how once you get a grip on it, it's so much faster, but I could just spend forever getting nothing. What is this, like, ION ending here for this word? There's not enough vowels here. Maybe it's not ION. Maybe it just ends in SSON or something. I'm going to come back to that because I'm not sure. What else do we have here? SY maybe? Syntax? 3 words left. Okay, I think the bottom left is 2 words. Theme. No, I don't see theme. I saw this HME and my mind went to theme. How about verse? And then rhyme. There's rhyme. Okay. Did I look for rhyme? No, I looked for rhythm, not rhyme. All right, one more word. What is going on here? Maybe it starts with NO. So like NOS. I don't see how that would work. Do I know this word? Maybe scansion. Wait, it is. What does that mean? It was one of the only things I could do, but oh wow. Scansion? I'd look it up, but I don't really want to like deal with browser stuff right now. I'm like with my capture, so cool. Well, those are the games then. People in the comments can help me out in terms of any questions I had this time. And of course, how'd you do?